tips to become a billionaire in 2023. 1. Develop a written financial plan for Forex market. 2. Focus on increasing your income by Forex. 3. Upgrade your skills and knowledge about Forex market and Forex robots. 4. Choosing a profitable Forex robot. 5. Rent or buy PARAMOUR Godfather EA and run it. 6. Increase your streams of profits in Forex market. 7. Automate your savings from Forex market. 8. Associate with millionaires. Congratulations! I am Jenny. In this video, I want to talk about the earning money from Forex market in 2023 by PARAMOUR Godfather Robot. First of all, let us know what is Forex. Secondly, can Forex trading make me rich? And then, what are the best robots features? And finally, why should I have rent PARAMOUR Godfather Robot? Okay, let's go start. Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. As a Forex trader, you are speculating on whether one currency will rise or fall in price against another currency. Forex is a shorthand way of referring to the foreign currency exchange. It's the market where currencies from different countries are traded. Investors trade in Forex for the same reason that they trade in any other market, because they believe that the value of certain currencies will go up or down over time. Remember, currencies are commodities just like anything else. On some days, they'll go up in value. On other days, they'll go down in value. You can use Forex to take advantage of the fluctuation in foreign currency prices to make money. Can Forex trading make me rich? Many retail traders turn to the Forex market in search of fast profits. Statistics show that most aspiring Forex traders fail, and some even lose large amounts of money. Leverage is a double-edged sword, as it can lead to outsized profits, but also substantial losses. Counterparty risks, platform malfunctions, and sudden bursts of volatility also pose challenges to would-be Forex traders. Unlike stocks and futures that trade on exchanges, Forex pairs trade in the over-the-counter market with no central clearing firm.
We know customers like low prices, we know customers like big selection, and we know that customers like fast delivery. And those things are going to be true 10 years from now. They're going to be true 20 years from now. So we can count on those things and we can put energy into them. Our approach is premium products at non-premium prices. So we sell the hardware at break-even. We don't try to make any money when we sell this hardware. We hope to make money when people use the devices, not when they buy the devices. And so that's a very different approach from most companies. Most companies are building quite a bit of profit into these devices. And the way I would think about this is that there's room for a lot of companies to do well in this arena. This tablets, mobile devices, very big market arena. Room for companies pursuing different strategies, guesses there aren't any easy answers. For me, I thought the Washington Post is an important institution, and I'm optimistic about its future. It's a personal investment, and I'm hopeful that I can help from a distance, part by providing runway for them to do a series of experiments, and part through bringing some of the philosophy that we've used at Amazon to the Post. What has worked at Amazon is focusing on the customer, putting the customer first, which is easy to say but difficult to do. We really are customer-centric. It's like being the host of a party, holding the party for your guests. Sometimes the host of the party is holding the party for the host of the party. And that leads to a different kind of party.
Is trading Forex profitable? Forex trading can be profitable, but it is important to consider timeframes. It is easy to be profitable in the short term, such as when measured in days or weeks. However, to be profitable over multiple years, it's usually much easier when you have a large amount of cash to leverage, and you have a system in place to manage risk. Many retail traders do not survive Forex trading for more than a few months or years. Is Forex high risk? Although Forex trades are limited to percentages of a single point, they are very high risk. The amount needed to turn a significant profit in Forex is substantial, and so many traders are highly leveraged. The hope is that their leverage will result in profit, but more often than not, leveraged positions increase losses exponentially. Become an economist. If you want to be a successful Forex trader, you're going to need an understanding of basic economics. That's because macroeconomic conditions within a country will affect the value of that country's currency. Pay particular attention to economic indicators like the unemployment rate, inflation rate, gross domestic product, and the money supply. Even more important, pay attention to the trend in those indicators so you get an idea of where they're headed. If a country is about to enter an inflationary period, for example, then that means that the value of its currency is about to go down. You wouldn't want to buy that currency. Pay attention to countries with an economy that's sector-driven. For example, Canada's dollar tends to move in tandem with crude oil. If there's a rally in crude oil prices, it's likely that the Canadian dollar will also appreciate in value. So, if you think that oil will increase in value in the short term, it might be a good idea to buy the Canadian dollar. Follow a country's trade surplus or deficit. If a country is running a healthy trade surplus, that means that buyers of its products will have to convert their currency into the nation's currency first. That's going to spur demand for the currency and cause it to appreciate in value. If you think a country's trade outlook is going to improve, it might be a good idea to buy that country's currency. Learn to read charts like a pro. Technical analysis is another way that you can make money in Forex. If you examine the historical chart for a specific currency, you might notice certain patterns in that chart. Some of those patterns can offer predictions about where the currency is going. The head and shoulders pattern is an indication that the currency is about to break out of its price range. That's a technical indicator used by many Forex traders. The triangle pattern is an indication that the high-low range of a currency is tightening. It's also a signal that the currency could break out, depending on the overall direction of the triangle. An engulfing pattern is noticeable on candlestick charts. That's when the range of one candle completely engulfs the range of the previous candle. In that case, the currency is likely to move in the direction of the engulfing candle. It's an excellent trading signal used by many Forex investors.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Forex trading robot. Forex trading robots are automated software programs that generate trading signals. Most of these robots are built with MetaTrader, using the MQL scripting language, which lets traders generate trading signals or place orders, and manage trades. Forex robots are designed to remove trading psychological element, which can be detrimental. Automated Forex trading robots are available for purchase over the internet, but traders should exercise caution when buying a trading system this way. Oftentimes, companies will spring up overnight to sell trading systems with a money-back guarantee before disappearing a few weeks later. They may cherry-pick successful trades as, "Okay, let us go to talk about the best Forex robot in 2023. PARAMOUR Godfather Robot. The PARAMOUR Godfather Robot is one of the best FX robots available. What makes this robot stand out is the impressive combination of an extremely advanced trading algorithm and a very easy-to-use package. This expert advisor is an automated analysis system that helps users avoid trading during any uncertain trading times. The robot is particularly well suited to inexperienced traders because the robot is very easy to install and use. Unlike many other robots, all complexity is kept internal and there are almost no settings for the user to adjust. The interface has been kept clear and simple so that even beginners would find it easy to use. This robot is a great option for traders who want a high-performance robot that is simple to install and use. With its simple, intuitive design, PARAMOUR Godfather EA is a good choice for those who are new to trading as well as more advanced traders. This Forex robot runs on all currency pairs and monitors trends, prices, and news. You can set your trading preference to high, medium, or low risk, and this will affect the outcome of your trades. Another key advantage of this system are 1. The 24/7 technical support via WhatsApp and free updates for life. 2. Strong long-term performance. 3. No minimum account size. 4. Easy to install and use. 5. Demo version available. 6. User-friendly interface. 7. Works with MT4. 8. IT comes with full instructions and support. Let's talk about few things why you choose this Forex robot. Look out for a low drawdown rate. This is a measure of decline and reduction of capital, and although high drawdowns can mean higher gains, they can also cause an account to go broke. You can test it on a demo account. Before deciding to use this robot, try it in a test environment first. This will allow you to see how it performs under test conditions, although, be aware that test conditions cannot fully simulate a real trade situation. If the robot you are considering does not offer a demo or test version, it might be too risky to invest capital in it. During the demo, you can see what settings and parameters are used by the robot too, and get used to how it works. Please contact us via WhatsApp for more information. Thanks and bye.
Bro, ça tue, ça blesse, ça flingue. Hey, 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 bro. Gazo, hey, hey, hey. Click, bro, ça tue.
Did you like it? Would you like to test it? Please contact us via WhatsApp link in caption for ordering demo version. Also, you can rent PARAMOUR Godfather Robot as weekly $30, monthly $100, or yearly $1,000, and earn lots of money. Good luck! Please like this video and subscribe our channel. For getting free daily signals and technical and fundamental analyses, please join us in our Instagram page. Have a good time. See you soon.